Hey guys, time for the second part of IFM, and in this topic or this video you practically learn how to take IFM backup. Now it's not a GUI topic but a command line topic, so you use just 4 commands and it's done. Now these commands can be run in the CMD or PowerShell, so the choice is yours. So for now I use CMD. Now, let's have a look at the commands. So the first command is ntds util. ntds util is a service that you need to call in order to take the backup. Now, when you call this service, initially it is disabled. So what do? You say activate instance ntds. That means you're trying to start this service. The third command is only IFM. That means you say you want the IFM backup. And the final command, create sysvol full, followed by the path. So I say c/ifm backup. That means a folder by this name would get created and the backup would be saved in this particular folder. That's it guys, just 4 commands. Now if you notice, when I run the command, it hardly takes 3 to 4 seconds and the backup is done. If you want to verify, you can go to the desired path, check the folder, and you will see all 3 files getting backed up: AD, reg, and sysvol. That's it guys. So it's a small one, but yes, more videos coming up soon. Stay tuned. We'll be right back. Thank you.